Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning English proverbs along with their Hindi meanings. आज इस वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश के proverbs और उनके हिंदी मीनिंग को सीखेंगे. Let's get started. The first proverb is barking dogs seldom bite. The Hindi meaning is जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. The second proverb is crying in wilderness and the Hindi meaning is भैंस के आगे बीन बजाना. The third proverb is a drop in the ocean and the Hindi meaning is ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा. The fourth proverb is a figure among ciphers and the Hindi meaning is अंधों में काना राजा. The fifth proverb is a honey tongue, a heart of girl and the Hindi meaning is मुंह में राम बगल में छुरी. The sixth proverb is might is right and the Hindi meaning is जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. The seventh proverb is good mind, good find and the Hindi meaning is आप भला तो जग भला. The eighth proverb is as you sow, so you reap and the Hindi meaning is जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. The ninth proverb is a bad workman quarrels with his tools and the Hindi meaning is नाच न आवे आंगन टेढ़ा. The 10th proverb is as the king so are the subjects and the Hindi meaning is जैसा राजा वैसी प्रजा. The 11th proverb is a little knowledge is a dangerous thing and the Hindi meaning is अल्प विद्या भयंकरी. The 12th proverb is something is better than nothing and the Hindi meaning is नहीं से कुछ भला. The 13th proverb is union is strength and the Hindi meaning is एकता ही बल है. The 14th proverb is to make a mountain of a molehill and the Hindi meaning is तिल का ताड़ बनाना राई का पर्वत बनाना. 15th proverb is respect yourself and you will be respected and the Hindi meaning is अपनी मर्यादा अपने हाथ. 16th proverb is to make castles in the air and the Hindi meaning is हवा में पुल बांधना या हवाई किले बनाना. 17th proverb is too much courtesy, too much craft and the Hindi meaning is मधुरी बानी दगाबाज की निशानी. 18th proverb is the innocent have nothing to fear and the Hindi meaning is सांच को आँच क्या यानी निर्दोषों को डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. 19th proverb is Rome was not built in a day and the Hindi meaning is हथेली पर दही नहीं जमता. 28th proverb is one nail drives out another and the Hindi meaning is कांटे से कांटा निकलता है. The 21st proverb is good health is above wealth and the Hindi meaning is नेक तंदुरुस्ती लाख नियामत यानी अच्छा स्वास्थ्य धन से बढ़कर है. The 22nd proverb is do good and cast it into the river. And the Hindi meaning is नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, यानी भलाई करने के बदले में कुछ अपेक्षा ना रखना. 23rd proverb is it takes two to make a quarrel. And the Hindi meaning is एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. 24th proverb is everything looks yellow to a jaundiced eye. And the Hindi meaning is सावन के अंधे को हर तरफ हरा दिखाई देता है. The 25th proverb is example is better than precept. And the Hindi meaning is उपदेश से करनी भली, यानी उपदेश करने से स्वयं करना भला. 26th proverb is a drowning man will clutch at a straw. And the Hindi meaning is डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. The 27th proverb is contentment is happiness. And the Hindi meaning is संतोष ही खुशी है. The 28th proverb is he that is warm thinks all are so. And the Hindi meaning is आप सुखी तो जग सुखी. The 29th proverb is much cry and little wool. And the Hindi meaning is ऊंची दुकान का फीका पकवान. The 38th proverb is make hay while the sun shines. And the Hindi meaning is बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.